Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to make a beautiful watercolor birthday card. It's very easy and simple and anyone can do that, and it only takes maybe 10 or 12 minutes to paint this card. So let's quickly begin with the card. I have this 300 GSM watercolor paper, and the colors I will be using are this emerald green mixed with a little bit of blue, and again mixed with a little bit of brown. So I'm just creating a very different kind of shade. You're free to use any shade that you want. I just want to experiment with different colors. So I'm going to paint branch with few transparent flowers on one side going upwards like this. So let's start with the petal from the bottom. So I'm just going to create a thin line using my brush, one here and then one could be here, one can be here. So the technique I will be using is to paint transparent flowers is just drop in some color for each petal, and like you can see, so the transparent flower that I will be painting is where I'm going to drop color drops on each of the flower, and then I will be using a big brush and use water to paint and spread this color into a leaf or a petal like that. Very basic. I'm just going to create some round petal leaves. Same with this one. We will let this dry and then we will add more petals each time. So I did quickly dry them up, and then I'm going to use the same color and make another petal next to this one, the first one. So the same technique, I'm just going to drop in some color like this, and then I will wash my brush, take plenty of water, and then just blend this leaf. So it gives very transparency leaf. And in case you have a lot of water here, you can just dab it on your paper towel like this. So I'm trying to overlap the first petal so that we see the transparent effect here like that. And again we will let this dry. So I have dried these petals as well, and we are going to repeat the process once again. And you can always change the placement of the leaves, the petals that you want to add. Wash my brush, and then I'm going to smudge this off, and feel free to turn around your paper as per your convenience. And wherever you feel, you can drop in some color if you feel the color is very light. I'm going to pick some color from this one as well, and let's paint this one downwards. And then again I'm going to pick some color like that. I'm using actually my hair dryer to dry everything here. So this is dried up, and again I am going to make another petal. Oops, it's okay. We can just pick this color up from here. And what I can do is I can still just add a petal here only where I've dropped this color. So I'm going to add one more petal here, and one petal I will add on this side. So as you can see, I'm just trying to overlap the petals so as we see the transparent effect. So let me blend this one here and just take the extra color. And see, when you pick up some color, you can already see the previous petals, the leaves overlapping. Here you can see the stem which is overlapped by the petal here as well. So it looks very beautiful and delicate also. And let me use my hair dryer again to dry these off quickly. And finally, I will be adding a little color towards the center of this flower to give a very dark effect. So I'll use the same pigment and just drop in some color here and in the way the lines are as the petals, like this, and here as well. And in the similar way here. And finally, I'm going to just splatter some color, the same color around it. Just few drops. That's good. And I'm going to write my text here as happy birthday. Let me do that and I will show you the final look of this card. So everything is dried up completely and this is the final look of the card. It looks so beautiful and yet very elegant, and it just takes few minutes to make this card. I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, then please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. That means a lot to me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.